Brian, come on, walk this way so we can get a picture. Wow, is that snow deep, huh? You want to build a fort over here, Brian? How do you like the snow, boys? Good. You guys gonna throw some snowballs at me?
Get a bit closer so we can hit you.
Don't hit the camera.
Closer?
Oh, I don't know if I can get much closer. Oh, you got me.
I got you guys. See if I can get within
that. Whoa, that's a big... Ooh! What do you say? You boys ready to go in now?
Yeah.
Let's go. Come on down the steps and let's go in the house. Be careful.
Take the camera all the way to the picture.
Okay.
All the way to the home and leave it at your eye. Look out here, Booga. Booga.
I see you boys. Go ahead, walk back to the garage now.
Hello, Booga.
Oh. Let's see how deep the snow is in the camera when you walk. No, don't throw snow at the camera, Brian. Oh. Okay. Go ahead, let's go back to the house now. Okay, let's knock some of that snow off.
No.
No?
It's Clive on the picnic table.
There's a lot of snow out here, isn't there?
1 step. 2. 3. 4. No, you can stand at this one. I have to do it. I know, Kevin. Give me a boost. Push me up.
Don't fall off of it now.
King of the mountains.
Yeah, you're both king of the mountains. All right, let's go in the house, boys, okay?
Yeah.
We're all wet. Let's go down now. You made it up there?
I did it.
Wow. You're way up on top of a big pile, huh?
Yeah.
Where's Brian?
Oh, she's over there.
By the front step?
Yeah. No, there.
How deep is it, Brian? Where are you trying to go? How about walking down the driveway and let's stand in front of the mailbox where the pile is very high. Come on, Brian, your boots are going to fall off. Get out of there now. Get down. In the sidewalk. All right, go on down to the... Right up in front of it, Brian. No, don't climb up it. I just want to take a picture of you boys looking at how deep the snow is.
I won't go up it.
Don't touch the mailbox.
I'll go this way.
What are you doing, Kev? All right, go climb up the mountain.
Oh yeah, this is the way to our secret entrance. So right here. Go this way. I'll dig in it.
Wow, are you way up on top, huh? Don't fall down. Wow, it's cold out, isn't it?
Now that I'm up here.
Look down here. Look down here.
All right, let me go get the sled.